Alright, hang on. So let's watch this together. Hang on, we finna cross the $6,000 mark. Still negative $52. Oh shit, $6,000. Okay, alright. I deposited in this account twice. Yep, blew the first one. Yep, killed the second one. Second one's at 6,000. Still at 6,000. Let's check and make sure it's a live account. Okay. One a fucking mini. And this is just the account I trade with the signals, just to show people when they be bullshitting me. I like to show people when they bullshitting me, bro. Cause people be like, I only got $100. It's easy for you to trade. You got a big account. But you got more than me. I ain't got no money in this account. And we see what I put in there. Deposited twice. 100. Blew that shit. 150. Put that shit in last Friday. This is day 4. So you making excuses with your $100, and I just turned $0 into 6,000. And counting. How far I'm gonna let this run? I don't know. It was only $100. It was $100, so I don't really care where it land. I guess I technically could pull out right now, huh? But I'm just interested in seeing where it's gonna go. I got another $100 to put in there next week. I don't give a fuck if I blow this shit or not. That's the thing about me. I don't care how long it take, and I don't really know. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I see what's happening right now, and you can't make no excuses about you only have a little bit of money to play with, and I'm playing with less money than you. Almost at $7,000. Alright, I just want to make sure we all saw that together. Let me hang on. Still a live account, alright. Still the same account that I deposited twice in. Okay, just making sure, bro. Just making sure.